Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus dip at home using an easy method. Making your own hummus is incredibly satisfying and much fresher than store-bought versions. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. This recipe is perfect for a quick snack or a delicious addition to any meal, and it comes together in about 10 minutes flat. Now, let's get blending. Add your rinsed chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and a single clove of garlic to your food processor. For that extra creamy texture, I recommend adding about 2 tablespoons of cold water. This helps achieve a wonderfully smooth consistency. Blend everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes, scraping down the sides as needed until it's perfectly velvety. Once your hummus is beautifully smooth, it's time for the most important step: tasting and adjusting. Take a small spoonful and see if it meets your flavor expectations. You might want to add a pinch more salt, a dash of pepper, or even a little extra lemon juice for a brighter kick. If you like a thinner dip, slowly drizzle in another tablespoon of cold water while the processor is running. This ensures your hummus is just right for you. Your homemade hummus is now ready to enjoy. Spoon it into a nice serving bowl and make a little swirl or well in the middle. A generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika or sumac adds a beautiful finish and extra flavor. Serve it with warm pita bread, fresh vegetables, or as a spread in sandwiches. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, staying fresh and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.